Good morning! La 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 la. Ba? Hello? Ay! Ano na ang daddy? Kasama si kuya, si Opa, tsaka si Zaya. Hello! Good morning! Bakasyon tayo? Where are we going? Where are we going? Yeah?
Ow!
What is that? You wanna watch? Later, maaga pa. No TV. No TV. Ow, 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 ow. Can you say no, 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 no? No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. Nay, 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 nay. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Yeah! Si crocodile? Dali, kunin mo ang ball. Asan ang ball? Ha? Ang kuya. Ano yan? Kayo vakansi?
Here we go, Philippines. Practice lang.
What is the Tagalog of airplane?
Aeroplano.
What is the Tagalog of bahay? Ay, bahay. Of flower.
Bulaklak.
House.
Bahay.
Good job. Egg.
Meatloaf.
Itlog. What is the Tagalog of car?
Kotse.
Kotse. Very good. What is that? Wow! Should I open the door? Mama first. Kiss. Kiss Mama first. Then I will open the door. Bye-bye. Can you say good morning? Take here, Saya. Good morning. Opatay. Doe voorzichtig. Be careful, Sayan. Ay! Oh, no. Ano ba yan?
Hi guys, we're now on the way to vacation.
Wij gaan de ronde door.
We're finally here.
Ayan yung mga bahay na parenta dito. Ang aming bahay for a week.
Waar moeten wij dan parkeren?
Yay! Wow! It's beautiful, Saya! Wow! It's nice!
Heel groot ook.
Oh, van wie kamer is dit? Wow!
Weet ik niet. Niet verzet. Die gaat niet weggaan.
Hoe TV she said.
Dit is je badkamer. Oh nee, wc.
Een wc'tje. Wat is dit?
Hey.
Oeh!
Oh, hier is ook nog wat even.
Wow! The other one, show me, show me. Here, come on. And this one is another bed. Another bed. Oh, ang ganda. What is that, Saya? Wow! The shower. May sauna pa. Oh, wow. Shower is good. Don't open it, You will get wet. Let's go. And then, ito yung balkon. Kitchen. With the dining. Hey, Sayan! Hello! Yeah! Yay! Hey! You like it? Yeah, Ate, hello? You like it? Yeah? It's locked. We need to open it later, yeah? Ang kitchen, meron siyang ganyan. Paghugasan ng plato. Basurahan. Mga gamit, utensils. Pan. Oh, okay. And this one, may oven pa. Oh. Ang kanilang ref.
Dus gratis wifi, schat.
Help si Mama. Here, look, Sayed. Ah, it's empty. We're gonna put later okay? Ito yung sabitan ng kanilang jacket and then, what is this? Oh, labahan. Washing. Ay, Sayed. Open it. Lampang. Didi na.
Wat, schat?
Ang daddy, ang gwapong daddy. Ay! Ay, Nab!
Takke.
I love you.
Love you too. Bognoska. Die vrouw gaat altijd in dementeren.
Mga bangad, ah? Ayan ang aming bahay. Mayabang no, oh. Mayabang. Oh. One more. Show it to them that you are mayabang. Ang bata na mayabang si Zion. Picture na. 1, 2, 3, cheese! Cheese! 1, 2, 3, cheese! Hindi ko naman tumitingin. Sayang! Beep, 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 beep. Dinner. Ito yung baon namin. Kanina. Hindi kami nag-stop over. So, kainin lang naming dinner. With rice. Ayun ang rice. Thank you. Saya, you want dip-dip? Look. Look is the dip-dip, Saya. You want dip? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Hindi mawawala ang paborito ni Zayang toyo. Konti lang. Tapos patakan ko siya ng suka. Clear na ata this one, stop.
Alsjeblieft, meisje. Kusjes?
You want dip too, kuya? Yeah? Eat na. Big boy na, Zion.
Anders doe je...
Coffee time ang daddy.
Yeah, you hear me?
What she said? Oh, you here? Labas muna kami mag-walking after dinner and coffee. Ang kuya. Hi, kuya. Hi. Ang dalawa nasa loob pa. Nag-aaway pa sila. Yeah, wakan. Ayan, walking na. Daddy, it's not cold. You don't have jacket.
Dit is wel een beetje uitgegaan, omdat er een nek omheen staat. Het is een lamp die God aan heeft gezet. Jij zegt, oh, het is een echte man. Nee, het is God die een lamp heeft aangezet.
So big. Dagat. Ayan, bahay na ulit si Zion. Ayan, mag-rest lang saglit and then maligo na. You want coffee? You say, ask Papa, you want coffee?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Thank you, Saya. We're gonna end this video now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe!
yay! Bye!